Hello everyone, welcome to Online Mini Exam. Today's quiz is based on previous year questions for winning and working subject. It is a part of our Achievers Practice Series initiative. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated about all future classes and quizzes. So in this quiz, there will be 10 questions and for every question you will get 30-second time to respond. After the time is up, the correct answer will be displayed on the screen. In case of any doubt pertaining to any question, please put them in comments after completing the quiz. For free study material, you can join our WhatsApp group. The link for the WhatsApp group is provided in the description of the video. इस क्विज में 10 क्वेश्चंस होंगे और प्रत्येक क्वेश्चन के लिए आपके पास 30 सेकंड का समय होगा। समय खत्म होने पर सही ऑप्शन स्क्रीन पर डिस्प्ले कर दिया जाएगा। किसी भी क्वेश्चन के बारे में कोई डाउट होने पर आप उन्हें क्विज खत्म होने के बाद कमेंट में डाल सकते हैं और फ्री स्टडी मटेरियल के लिए आप व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं जिसका लिंक वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया गया है। सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज a belt conveyor conveys material of average cross section area of 0.09 meter square of bulk density 1.5 ton per meter cube at a speed of 2 meter per second. The carrying capacity of the belt in ton per hour is A 972, B 864, C 732, D 643, E 543. Your time starts now. We'll provide additional time as this is a numerical question. 30 seconds passed, 30 seconds more. Another 30 seconds. Time up. The correct answer is A 972. Next question. In order to remove continuously waste parting of seams order of minor thickness selectively, the bucket wheel excavator adopts the method A. Lateral block method, B. Full block method, C. Half block method, D. A combination of full block method and half block method, E. None of them. Your time starts now. Time up. The correct answer is A. Lateral block method. Next question. Dragline eliminates the following operations in an open cast mine. A. Drilling, blasting, loading, hauling, transporting, processing, washing. B. Drilling, blasting, loading, hauling, transporting. C. Loading, hauling, transporting, processing, washing. D. Loading, hauling, transporting. E. Loading, hauling. Your time starts now. Time up. The correct answer is D. Loading, hauling, transporting. If anybody has any doubt or inquiry related to paid courses, they can call on the number displayed on the screen. The paid courses include a structured curriculum, 50 plus hours of live classes, 30 mock tests for practice, revision notes, and premium WhatsApp group access. Also, you get recordings of the classes for revision. पेड कोर्सेज में आपको एक स्ट्रक्चर्ड करिकुलम के अकॉर्डिंग क्लासेस होती हैं, 50 प्लस आवर्स ऑफ लाइव क्लासेस आपको कराया जाएगा, 30 मॉक टेस्ट होंगे एंड एक रिवीजन नोट्स भी हर टॉपिक पे आपको मिलेगा, एक प्रीमियम व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप का एक्सेस मिलेगा जिसमें आप अपने डाउट्स पूछ सकते हैं, और इसके साथ साथ क्लास की रिकॉर्डिंग भी आपको मिलेगी ताकि आप कभी भी जब भी चाहें उसे रिवाइज कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू. डिटरमाइन द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट. स्टेटमेंट 1. Aim of slope stability is to analyze slope stability and understand failure mechanism and influence of environmental factors. Statement 2. Aim of slope stability is to enable the redesign of failed slopes and the planning and design of preventive and remedial measure wherever necessary. Statement 3. Aim of slope stability is to improve profitability of open cast mines. The options are: A. Statement 1 is true, statements 2 and 3 are false. B. Statement 1, 2 are true and statement 3 is false. C. Statement 2 and 3 are true and statement 1 is false. D. Statement 3 is true and statement 1, 2 are false. E. All statements are true. Your time starts now. Time up. The correct answer is B. Statement 1 and 2 are true. Statement 3 is false. Next question. Deck loading is very useful when the A. Strata consists of hard rocks. B. Strata consists of friable rocks. C. Strata consists of soft rocks. D. Strata consists of alternate band of hard and softer rocks. E. Seam water bearance is high. Your time starts now. Time up. The correct answer is D. Strata consists of alternate band of hard and softer rocks. Next question. A dragline is required to remove 3 lakh meter cube of rock per month on the bank volume basis. Consider the following data for the dragline operation. Effective working hours per month equal to 500 hours. Bucket fill factor 0.8. Cycle time 70 seconds. Swell factor of the rock 1.25. The minimum bucket capacity of the dragline in cubic meter is A. 12.04, B. 16, C. 7.7, D. 9.63, E. 18.23. As this is a numerical question, we will allow 90 seconds time here. Your time starts now. Last 30 seconds. Time up. The correct answer is E, 18.23. Next question. Alluvium soil in open cast mines shall either be kept sloped at an angle not exceeding dash degrees from the horizontal, or be kept benched where the height of any bench shall not exceed dash meter, and the breadth thereof shall not be less than the height unless exempted by statutory authorities. A 60 degrees 2.5 meter, B 45 degrees 1.5 meter, C 35 degree 1.5 meter, D 35 degree 2.5 meter, E 60 degree 1.5 meter. Your time starts now. Time up. The correct answer is B 45 degrees 1.5 meter. Next question. The time study data of an equipment developed in a mine during a calendar month is given below. Total working hours equal to 400. Total maintenance hours equal to 100. Total hours of actual work equal to 240. The percentage of utilization of the equipment is A 50%, B 60%, C 70%, D 80%, E 90%. We'll allow 60 seconds time here. Your time starts now. Additional 30 seconds. Time up. The correct answer is D 80%. Next question. The sale value of chromite ore from an open pit mine is 7,000 rupees per ton. Cost of mining excluding stripping is 2,500 rupees per ton. If the cost of stripping is 1250 rupees per cubic meter, the break-even stripping ratio in meter cube per ton is A 3.6, B 3.9, C 4.3, D 2.18, E 4.1. We'll allow 90 seconds time here. Your time starts now. Additional 30 seconds. Last 30 seconds. Time up. The correct answer is A 3.6. Next question. Sound level of audio visual alarm should be at least dash higher than the ambient noise level. A 5 to 20%, B 10 to 15%, C 20 to 25%, D 5 to 10%, E 10 to 20%. Your time starts now. Time up. The correct answer is A 5 to 20%. Thank you everyone for your participation. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated about all future classes and quizzes. Share the video with your friends and colleagues so that they can also get benefited from our free initiatives. Thank you.